Cold mud beneath my feet, a pulse I cannot see. Petals fall like rain through a season with no name. Pierced through the moment, walking on the clay, a path that turns to rose, watch the universe grow. Pierced deep, your waves wash over me. A self I've yet to be, every door will bloom. In this crowded room, gravity starts to shift. Now I feel the lift, lines begin to meet, pieces